In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an invoice template in PayPal. If you regularly send invoices to clients, saving a template can make the process much faster and more consistent. It helps you avoid re-entering the same layout or repeated invoice details every time you create a new one. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact path to save an invoice as a template inside PayPal. To begin, sign in to your PayPal account and go to your account summary page. From there, look for the option labeled Create an Invoice and click it. This takes you into PayPal's invoicing area, where you can start working with invoice settings and invoice-related actions. Even if you're not sending a new invoice right away, this is the easiest entry point into the invoicing section. Once you are on the invoice creation page, find the option that says Back to Invoices and click it. This will take you away from the invoice editor and back to the main invoice management area. That's important because the template saving option you need is available from the invoice management screen rather than from the initial create page. After that, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. It's usually displayed as three small dots grouped together. Click on that menu to open the list of available actions. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the invoice row or action area carefully, since menu placement can vary slightly depending on your screen size or PayPal's current layout. When the menu opens, click Save as Template. This is the option that lets you turn the current invoice setup into a reusable template for future invoices. Once selected, PayPal will save the invoice format so you can use it again later, helping you streamline your billing workflow. That's all it takes to save an invoice template in PayPal. It's a simple feature, but it can save time and reduce mistakes, especially if you send similar invoices on a regular basis. If you plan to reuse the same structure often, it's a good habit to save templates as soon as your invoice format is set up the way you want it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly learn how to save an invoice template in PayPal.